If you're over 60 and you've noticed that climbing stairs isn't as easy as it used to be, you're not alone. But here's the truth. Slowing down doesn't mean giving up. In fact, it's the perfect time to take back your strength, your balance, and your confidence. You can absolutely regain the ability to move with ease, climb stairs without struggle, and enjoy the freedom that comes with a healthy, active body. The best part? It's never too late to begin. Your body is designed to adapt, rebuild, and grow stronger at any age, as long as you give it what it needs: movement, nourishment, and a positive mindset. Today we'll explore the only 5 surgeon-approved exercises that can help you climb stairs effortlessly again, while also understanding how your daily habits, diet, and outlook can transform your mobility and your life. Strength has no age limit. The body's incredible ability to adapt and rebuild itself doesn't vanish as the years pass. It simply requires a little more patience, consistency, and care. When you reach your 60s and beyond, it's easy to believe that slowing down is inevitable, that weakness or stiffness are just signs of getting older. But that's not the full truth. The truth is that your body is still capable of growth and transformation, even now. Muscle fibers can still strengthen, bones can still stay dense, and joints can still move freely. What changes is the way you train and nurture them. When you make movement a regular part of your day, you send a powerful message to your body that says, "I still need you to stay strong." And your body listens. Building strength later in life isn't about lifting heavy weights or running marathons. It's about doing simple, consistent actions that keep your muscles active, your balance steady, and your confidence alive. Even small amounts of exercise have enormous benefits. Sitting and standing repeatedly from a chair helps reactivate the large muscles in your thighs and hips. Walking every day helps maintain circulation and joint flexibility. These movements, though gentle, stimulate your body's repair mechanisms, improve coordination, and increase energy levels. Every repetition tells your body that it's still in motion, that it still has purpose and vitality. For many people over 60, the greatest barrier to strength isn't the body, it's the belief that it's too late. But strength isn't about age. It's about intention. Muscles don't know birthdays. They only respond to effort. Even if you've been inactive for years, the moment you start moving, your body begins to respond. The stiffness that once made you hesitate begins to fade, replaced by a new sense of control. Each day you commit to gentle strength work. Your muscles adapt, your heart becomes more efficient, and your mind becomes more confident. Another crucial part of staying strong as you age is understanding that recovery is just as important as activity. Your body may take longer to heal, but that's not a sign of decline. It's simply a reminder to respect your pace. Rest days, stretching, and proper nutrition allow your muscles to rebuild stronger than before. Protein-rich foods, hydration, and sleep all contribute to this process, creating a balance between effort and recovery that keeps you progressing safely. When you focus on staying active and maintaining strength, you're doing more than improving your physical health. You're protecting your independence, your mobility, and your ability to engage with life fully. Strength gives you freedom, the freedom to move without fear, to carry groceries with ease, to climb stairs without hesitation, and to play with grandchildren without fatigue. It preserves not just your physical capabilities, but your dignity and joy. Your body is resilient and responsive, and every bit of movement you invest today lays the foundation for a stronger, steadier tomorrow. The 5 surgeon-approved exercises are life-changing because they target the exact muscles and joints that make daily movement possible. Each one serves a specific purpose, working together to restore balance, mobility, and power in your lower body. The first of these is the chair squat, one of the simplest yet most effective movements for rebuilding leg strength. Every time you sit and stand using control rather than momentum, you strengthen your quadriceps, glutes, and hips, the core muscles that help you push yourself upward. This single movement mimics the natural action of climbing stairs, getting up from a chair, or standing from bed. Over time, it improves your endurance, balance, and overall stability, making everyday tasks easier and safer. The next exercise, step-ups, directly mirrors the motion of climbing stairs. It trains your body to move with purpose, teaching your muscles to lift, stabilize, and balance at the same time. By stepping up onto a stable surface, you engage your thighs, glutes, calves, and core in perfect coordination. Surgeons often recommend this movement because it strengthens the same pathways that weaken with age. It improves not only muscle tone, but also joint flexibility and proprioception, the awareness of where your body is in space. Practiced consistently, step-ups restore your ability to move fluidly, reducing the fear of tripping or losing balance. Then come leg curls, a gentle but powerful way to strengthen the hamstrings. These muscles, located at the back of your thighs, are crucial for bending the knees and supporting your posture. Many older adults unknowingly neglect them, which leads to instability and increased pressure on the knees. Performing controlled leg curls, either lying down or standing while holding onto a support, helps restore muscle balance between the front and back of your legs. This balance is essential for preventing joint strain and maintaining smooth, coordinated motion when walking or climbing. Calf raises are another essential exercise in this group. Your calves are responsible for lifting your heels off the ground, an action you perform with every step you take. Strong calves help you maintain balance and provide the power to propel your body upward when climbing stairs. Regular calf raises improve circulation in the legs, support ankle strength, and contribute to better shock absorption when your feet hit the ground. Many people underestimate how much the calves influence overall movement, but when they are strong, each step feels lighter, more controlled, and less tiring. Finally, the fifth exercise, the core strengthening routine, is the silent foundation of all movement. Your abdominal and lower back muscles stabilize your spine and keep you upright. Without a strong core, even powerful legs can feel weak or unsteady. Gentle core exercises, like modified planks or seated twists, build endurance in the muscles that keep your body aligned. A strong core not only improves posture, but also prevents falls by helping you react quickly to changes in balance. These 5 exercises work together as a complete system, restoring coordination between the upper and lower body, while reducing the wear and tear on your joints. When done consistently and with care, they transform your ability to climb stairs, walk longer distances, and move through life with renewed energy and confidence. Nutrition fuels mobility in ways that go far beyond simply providing energy. What you eat directly affects how your muscles recover, how your joints feel, and how efficiently your body moves every single day. After 60, your nutritional needs change because your metabolism slows down, muscle mass naturally declines, and your body requires more nutrients for repair. That's why feeding your body with the right balance of foods becomes one of the most powerful ways to stay active, strong, and independent. A balanced diet rich in lean proteins, healthy fats, complex carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals gives your muscles the building blocks they need to stay resilient. Protein, for instance, is essential for preserving and rebuilding muscle tissue that supports every movement you make, especially when climbing stairs or performing daily tasks. Including sources like fish, eggs, beans, yogurt, and lean meats helps the body repair micro-tears that occur during exercise, keeping you strong and mobile. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in foods like salmon, flax seeds, walnuts, and chia seeds, are another crucial element of a mobility-friendly diet. They help reduce inflammation in the joints, improving comfort and flexibility. These healthy fats also support brain health and circulation, which are equally vital for balance and coordination. Calcium and vitamin D play their own essential roles by strengthening bones and reducing the risk of fractures. Leafy greens such as kale and spinach, along with fortified plant-based milks or dairy, are great sources of calcium, while sunlight exposure and foods like eggs and fatty fish help maintain healthy vitamin D levels. Fruits and vegetables rich in antioxidants, such as berries, oranges, bell peppers, and broccoli, help protect your cells from oxidative stress, which can accelerate joint and muscle aging. These colorful foods also provide fiber, which supports digestion and helps maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. Whole grains such as oats, brown rice, and quinoa give your body slow-releasing energy that keeps you moving, without the sudden crashes caused by refined sugars. They also contain magnesium and B vitamins that assist in muscle function and nerve communication, 2 critical components of smooth movement. Hydration is another often overlooked but essential factor for mobility. Water keeps your muscles flexible, your joints lubricated, and your energy levels stable. Dehydration can lead to muscle cramps, fatigue, and even dizziness, which can make walking or climbing stairs more difficult. Sipping water throughout the day, rather than waiting until you're thirsty, helps your body function efficiently. Herbal teas, soups, and hydrating fruits like watermelon and cucumbers also contribute to your fluid intake. Eating mindfully and regularly is key. Large, heavy meals can make you sluggish, while small, nutrient-dense meals throughout the day help maintain consistent energy and metabolism. Limiting processed foods, excessive salt, and added sugars reduces inflammation and helps keep your weight stable, which in turn decreases pressure on your knees and hips. Proper nutrition doesn't just enhance physical ability, it boosts mental clarity, mood, and motivation to stay active. When your body feels nourished, your energy rises naturally and your willingness to move increases. Pairing these nutritional habits with light daily exercise and rest creates a powerful foundation for mobility, helping you feel lighter, stronger, and more capable of enjoying every step you take. Mindset shapes movement in ways that science is only beginning to fully understand, but the truth has always been clear to those who live with vitality well into their later years. The way you think about aging, strength, and your own potential determines how your body responds to life. When you believe that growing older means slowing down, your body adapts to that expectation. But when you decide that age is simply a number, that strength and energy can still flow through you, your body begins to follow that belief. The mind and body are not separate forces. They are deeply connected. Every movement starts with a thought, and every achievement begins with belief. For many people over 60, fear becomes a quiet companion. Fear of falling, fear of pain, fear of decline. Yet it's often that fear, not the body itself, that limits progress. The first step toward lasting mobility is shifting your mindset from fear to trust. Trust your body's ability to heal and adapt. Trust that it remembers movement, that it responds to care, and that it can still grow stronger. When you approach exercise and activity with curiosity rather than anxiety, your muscles relax, your breathing deepens, and your balance improves naturally. Confidence alone can transform the way you move through the world. Positivity isn't just an emotional state, it's a physiological advantage. When your mind is optimistic, your body releases chemicals that support healing, reduce inflammation, and enhance energy. Studies show that older adults who maintain a positive outlook not only live longer, but also enjoy better strength, memory, and coordination. A hopeful mindset literally fuels the body to perform better. Each time you replace a thought like "I can't" with "I'll try," you retrain your brain to open new pathways of action. Those small mental shifts accumulate over time, creating a habit of resilience that sustains you through challenges. Another part of cultivating the right mindset is patience. Progress at this stage of life often moves slower, but it is no less meaningful. Instead of comparing yourself to how you moved years ago, celebrate what you can do now. Every repetition, every walk, every moment of effort is a victory. Gratitude for your body's abilities, no matter how small, builds emotional strength that supports physical growth. When you honor the progress you're making instead of focusing on what's lost, you create a feedback loop of motivation and self-respect. Surrounding yourself with encouragement also reinforces a strong mindset. Whether it's through friends, family, or a supportive community, positive energy helps sustain your motivation. Hearing others say you're doing great isn't just pleasant. It's powerful reinforcement that strengthens your self-belief. Daily affirmations, mindful breathing, and gentle reflection can also ground you in positivity. Even on difficult days, taking a moment to remind yourself that movement is a gift can shift your entire outlook. Over time, that mindset becomes a source of power, guiding your body to move with more ease, courage, and purpose. When your mind leads with strength, your body naturally follows. Small steps create big change because lasting transformation is built on consistency, not intensity. When you reach your 60s or beyond, your body doesn't need dramatic workouts or strict routines. It needs gentle, steady movement repeated every day. Each small action, like stretching in the morning, taking a walk after dinner, or doing a few squats while holding onto a chair, contributes to a larger picture of strength and mobility. The secret to improvement lies in forming habits that fit naturally into your life. Instead of forcing your body into exhaustion, you nurture it through regular care. These small steps may seem simple, but over time they awaken muscles, improve circulation, and restore your balance. The progress might feel slow at first, yet every day you move is another day you reclaim your vitality. A major part of building positive momentum comes from routine. Creating a consistent pattern of light activity signals your body to stay alert and ready. When you dedicate even 10 minutes a day to movement, your body adapts by becoming more flexible and efficient. Morning stretches loosen your joints, midday walks lift your energy, and light evening exercises calm your mind. With repetition, what once felt difficult becomes natural. Climbing stairs, bending to tie your shoes, or standing up from a chair becomes effortless again. These small victories reinforce your motivation, showing you that progress is real and achievable at any age. Rest and recovery are just as important as movement. Every small step of exercise should be balanced with proper sleep and relaxation. Sleep is when your body repairs muscles and restores energy, allowing the progress you made during the day to solidify. Without enough rest, even the best exercise routine loses its effectiveness. Good sleep hygiene, keeping a consistent bedtime, minimizing screen time, and creating a calm environment helps your body heal and recharge. When you wake up refreshed, your body feels lighter and more ready to move again. These cycles of effort and rest build long-term strength and endurance. Nutrition also plays a vital role in the process of small, cumulative change. Choosing healthier meals one at a time, adding more vegetables to lunch, drinking an extra glass of water, or reducing processed sugar creates compounding benefits. You don't have to change everything at once. Even one better choice per day adds up. Over weeks and months, your digestion improves, your joints ache less, and your energy levels rise. The same principle applies to posture and balance. Standing tall for a few minutes each day, practicing controlled breathing, or focusing on stability while brushing your teeth can train your body to stay centered and strong. Mindfulness ties all these efforts together. Paying attention to how you move, how you breathe, and how you feel helps you connect with your body in a positive way. Each mindful step you take strengthens your sense of control and purpose. It reminds you that progress isn't about perfection, but persistence. Those small choices, stretching when you wake up, choosing to walk instead of sit, preparing a wholesome meal, become the building blocks of lifelong wellness. With every gentle step forward, you create momentum that grows quietly, reshaping your strength, balance, and confidence from the inside out.